Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting math problem regarding trigonometry, especially the sine rule and the cosine rule. Here is the problem. Consider a triangle with side length 4, 5 and 6, where alpha is the largest interior angle and beta is the smallest interior angle. In this problem, we are asked to find the ratio of alpha to beta.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
It is not difficult to use. It is not difficult from sine rule that 6 over sine alpha equals 4 over sine beta. And therefore, sine alpha over sine beta is equals to 6 over 4, that is 3 over 2. So we can get the ratio of sine alpha to sine beta is 3 over 2. However, what we want is actually the ratio of the angle alpha to the angle beta, not the sine of angle alpha to sine of angle beta. So what should we do? We may use cosine rule. 4 squared equals to 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 of 5, 6 cosine beta. And this is 16, 25, 36 minus 60 cosine beta. This is 61, 61 minus 16 is 45. And this is 60 cosine beta. So cosine beta equals to 45 over 60, which is 3 over 4. Now, later on, we're going to use the value of cosine alpha equals to 3 over 4 here. Let's continue. So this means that sine alpha equals to 3 over 2 sine beta. 3 over 2 is 2 of 3 over 4 sine beta. And 3 over 4 is cosine beta. And 2 sine cos equals to sine 2 beta. So now, sine alpha equals to sine 2 beta. This one means that alpha equals to 2 beta, or alpha equals to pi minus 2 beta. This means that 2 beta plus alpha equals to pi. But 2 beta is beta plus beta. But beta is the smallest angle here. Beta plus, let's say this is gamma. Beta plus gamma plus alpha will equal to 180 degrees, which is pi radian. But this is beta plus alpha. It will be less than beta plus gamma plus alpha. And this is equals to 180 degrees. This will mean that pi is greater than pi. So that will be a contradiction. So meaning that we have to reject. And therefore, as shown, alpha equals to 2 beta, and therefore the ratio of alpha to beta equals to 2. This is the end of the presentation today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again next time. Bye bye.